Hello and welcome to this series. This is our next session for our Python question series. Now let's get started to our questions. Our first question is, what will be the output of the following Python expression if x equals to 56.236? Print inverted commas in modulus.2f inverted commas close modulus x. Now options are 56.236, second is 56.23, third one is 56.0000 and fourth one is 56.24. Let's see the answer for this. 56.24. The expression shows above rounds of the given number to the number of decimal places specified. Since the expression given specifies rounding off to 2 decimal places, the output of this expression will be 56.24 had the value being x equals to 56.234, last digit being any number less than 5. The output would have been 56.23. Got it? Next question is, which of these is the definition of packages in Python? A set of main modules, a folder of Python modules, a number of files containing Python definitions and statements, a set of programs making use of Python modules. Let's see. A folder of Python modules. A folder of Python programs is called as a package of modules. Now next question is, what will be the output of the following Python function? Len, curly bracket, start and square brackets. Then we will enter a string hello, comma, then enter 2, 4, 6. This is our list and it will show the length of the list. Now options are error, 6, 4, 3. Now what will be the output? Output would be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The function len returns the length of the number of elements in the iterable. Therefore, the output of the following function shown above is 4. Right? Sorry. Next is, what will be the output of the following Python code? X equals to A, B, C, D. For I, we will take a look. For I in X, print I dot upper. Now what will be the output? Small a, caps B, C and D. Then all letters are small, A, B, C, D, and it would be a error. Sorry, it would be an error. And fourth one is capitalize A, B, C, D. All letters are capital. Now see, the answer is all letters are capital. The instance of the string returned by upper is being print. Got it? Now last question of this series is, what is the order of namespaces in which Python looks for an identifier? Python first searches the built-in namespace, then the global namespace, and finally the local namespace. Python first searches the built-in namespace, then local namespace, and then finally global namespace. Third one is Python first searches the local namespace, then the global namespace, and finally the built-in namespace. And fourth one and last option is Python first searches the global namespace, then the local namespace, and finally the built-in namespace. Now see the answer. Python first searches the local namespace, then the global namespace, and finally the built-in namespace. So guys, this is all about this video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video.